We're going to do a little test of this Medieval Crossbow, the reproduction one. It's not designed to shoot, it's designed as a wall hanger, but it can shoot without being damaged. So we're going to see how well it goes into a boss, and I'm going to try it with both the bolt it came with and the pistol crossbow bolts. And then for comparison reasons, I'll test it against the pistol crossbow and see how well they do, because they're similar bow spans, but the pistol crossbow has a bigger draw length and a stronger prod. So we'll see what it does. So this is the reproduction medieval bolt it came with. It really shouldn't have flights on it. Normally crossbow bolts had wooden fins, but apart from that, and it's not sharp at the end, so it won't penetrate very well, but we'll see if it goes into anything. And then we have pistol crossbow bolts to see if they shoot alright from it as well. First we'll try it from just a couple of yards. And no penetration, it's really not got all that much strength. And you'll notice our little nuts come out after firing that and put it back in. Now, just for the fun of it, let's see what happens when I shoot this at about 10 yards, just to see what happens. Bolt made it about 5 yards, let me just angle it up. Now sadly it seems I can't safely load a pistol crossbow bolt on without the risk of dry firing or it shooting in a random direction. So what I'm going to do now is just to give you a comparison, show you what the pistol crossbow does at this range. As you can see, the pistol crossbow from that range has put all the bolts quite far into the boss, so it's a lot more efficient. So there you have it. If you want a cool sort of wall ornament that can't really shoot practically, but it's not designed to, then these sort of little reproduction cheap medieval crossbows are fine. If you want a crossbow of about the same size, that's a bit more efficient, get a pistol crossbow. And if you want to look good all round crossbow, get a decent recurve or compound. Hope that was interesting.